Hi, I'm CJ and this is my RC channel.
Alright, Tony, you got it.
The car starts out as a bit of a handful, at least until the tires warmed up some. I should have used the tire warmers that I have, but I was a little late arriving and didn't get everything set up in time to do that. I also went down in rear spring stiffness one more level and went up in front sway bar size one level. That also seemed to help get a handle on it. It still doesn't understeer, which is good. I'd rather have a little oversteer than understeer, but that helped make the rear end a little more handleable in the next heat.
7 minutes left.
Alright, so far Bill's got fast lap, 36.79. The CJ's 41.21.
Minutes left. Five minutes left.
Alright, CJ moves into the lead on a 15.815 pace. Bill is on an 11.807. CJ's got his fast lap down to a 29.83. Bill with 35.14.
Four minutes left. left.
I was trying for that. Just want to make sure you're awake.
I didn't get to film all of the racing, but it went well. Very happy with the way the car drove. Over the course of the day, a couple other people showed up. I'll be getting hopefully more footage in the future on this car and how it handles in VTA. I really think that this $89 chassis kit is an excellent candidate for this particular type of racing because of the lower power level of the motors required.
One minute left.
The race is over.
Overall, once the tires warmed up, it handled great. It was easy to predict slides,
One done.
easy to drive smoothly and stay out of trouble. I did need to keep my emotions in check a bit. It's hard not to drive with your attitude once in a while, especially if you get frustrated.
Two done.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like and please subscribe to my channel.